Hey guys, my name is Pedro, and in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to another great project, which is called Marvel GameFi. As you guys know that there are many scam projects lately, that's why I always try my best to introduce the most safest and reliable projects. And the project I'm going to introduce you today is solid and reliable. But just know that this is not going to be any investment advice, it is clearly up to you whether to invest or not. I will just give information about the project and I will try my best to briefly explain each and everything for you guys. So, without any further ado, let's start. Now, we all know the Avengers by Marvel comic has come across as a great success in the movie industry, with its unique plot and popular characters, and this attracting many superhero enthusiasts around the world to watch their movies. Today, with the recent blockchain technology, the Marvel Avengers concept has given an interactive touch in the shape of first ever third-person action adventure game for Marvel's fans, the Marvel GameFi. To engage, interact, customize the Avengers superheroes according to their own wish and play in the game to defeat enemies. And what additional perk Marvel GameFi bring is the users can not only enjoy and relish their time interacting with their superheroes, players can also earn rewards and tokens at the same time through their unique play to earn feature. So, we are going to learn all this. We will be using their official website and their white paper to learn more about this project and get into details. So, first let's head to their website. Before we get into the further details of this project, an announcement here. Cube pre-sale is coming very soon on July 18th, where limited edition early access customs will be on the sale. There will be a total of 5,000 pre-sale NFTs. So make sure to check it out and avail this opportunity. We are here on the official website of Marvel GameFi. The interface of the website is quite elegant and decent. First, the users have to connect their wallet to use their website. I have already connected my wallet. So, Marvel GameFi have brought the perfect platform for the Marvel enthusiast around the world to be a part of the Marvel universe. They have created first ever epic third-person action adventure game on single and multiplayer mode where players can collect their unique Marvel superheroes and NFTs and use them to fight against the enemies and earn rewards. Marvel GameFi is the first 3D turn-based Marvel blockchain game with strategic RPG elements where players can assemble a fully Avengers team, fight against the enemies, and can even buy land and build their own Avengers headquarters on the Avengers planet. The game also holds ranking mechanism and championships where players can play to increase their rank on the global rankings and get chance to earn more rewards. Now, in order to play, players will have to get Marvel Heroes NFTs. The NFTs are basically an ERC-721 NFT collectibles, with each superhero having its own unique NFT attributes like durability, attack, defense, speed, energy, and agility. The player will use their superhero NFTs to play the game. Additionally, players will have the option to utilize the Avengers planet, which is a 3D space virtual world, to build their Avengers headquarters. Each headquarter has a feature to recruit new skills to Avengers superheroes to make it more powerful. And not only this, after players have built their Avengers headquarters, the headquarters can be used to rent it to other GameFi players and they can earn commission from it. Also, players can trade and mine energy on the Avengers planet, and this speaks much about the utility of Avengers Metaverse GameFi, where players not only relish their time interacting their dream heroes, but also get rewards and earn money through it. Now, let's head over and check out their tokenomics and see how it works and distributed. Marvel GameFi use token called Marvel, which is basically an ERC20 governance token built on the Ethereum network. So GameFi players can hold the tokens to participate in governance vote. The token code is Marvel. Total supply is 650 million. Hard cap is $2.6 million, and this is how the token is distributed. Private sale 10%, vault 15%, seed 5%, liquidity and listing 25%, gaming rewards 20%, team 5%, airdrop 5%, marketing 5%, and public sale is 10%. And if we talk about the token utility, this is how it could be used. Staking. GameFi players can stake their tokens at attractive APRs into the liquidity pool and earn rewards like new equipment, new heroes, or Marvel tokens. Marvel tokens can be used to upgrade superhero NFTs. Marvel tokens can be used to rent superhero NFTs and other collectibles. Marvel tokens can utilize the blind box system. On the main homepage, click on Buy Now. This is where all the blind box systems details are given. There are 3 different types of draws, which are gold, diamond, and starburst, each containing cards of any level and any character. The gold one is 0.01 ETH, diamond one is 0.02 Ethereum, and starburst is for 0.5 ETH. And if you see over here, probability description is given for each blind box, which tells the chances each box has of giving out a rarer reward, which can be normal, rare, super rare, super rare, and ultra rare. The gold blind box has the least chances of getting a more rare reward, with starburst blind box which has the most chances of getting higher rarity rewards. And since Marvel token is DAO governance token, Marvel GameFi players can lock up their tokens for a period of time to gain voting rights. More the number of tokens held, more the voting rights that will be given to each holder. Now, let's check out the roadmap. For May 22, alpha test, initial DX offering, NFT hero. For June 22, beta testing, officially launch, special event. For July 2022, milestone 3, guild, metaverse, offline activity. For August 2022, limited equipment, guild mission, staking. For October 2022, multiplayer battle, guild battle, listed. For November 2022, champion cup, battle pass, donation system. And for December 22, milestone 7, monthly activity, trading platform, joint NFT. And it says here to be continued, so there is more to come as well. And if you see over here, the team behind the project is Talks, which speaks that this project is safe. And over here we can see the operatives partners and investors. So yes, this is all I have for you guys in this video. The Cube pre-sale is coming on the July 18th, which is very soon, so make sure to check it out, and I will be putting all the links in the video description. So guys, I'm very happy to introduce you to guys this project. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. Stay tuned.